Okay guys, this is a video on a Nissan Altima V6, the hard one. Okay, so here's the alternator, new one. This is the bolt that goes on the back of the alternator like this, through this bracket towards here, right there. This whole thing, it goes through that thing here. So, and then the other bolt is right here. You have to take off all these parts right here. You have to take off the radiator. You have to take off the lower coolant hose from here because it's right in front of the alternator. Take off these wiring harnesses. This is the ones with the alternator on it. So you got this is the top piece that you will see. That's the intake, plastic intake manifold thing that's right here on the top. You're gonna take that off. Then you're gonna take off this radiator, everything that's connected with it, the transmission, cooling lines on the bottom of the car. From here needs to come off. This hose is right. That hose is the one that came off from here. So from here, okay. So I got that off. Got this plastic piece off. You took out the radiator. Then you have to take off this plastic piece right here. You're gonna take off this plastic piece. You're gonna unscrew this pulley. There's gonna be a pulley here. That looks like like that right there. That's the nut that came off from it. So I kept it together. So this way it goes back the same way. So the belt I took off was bad, so I bought a new one. This is the part number. You might as well change it because you don't want to do this belt after you do the alternator and find out that the belt broke or something. So to take off the belt, you take off this pulley right here, and then the nut that's on the alternator right here is right behind this pulley. It comes out from there, that hole there. So you got to take off that nut and the pulley, and that you got to loosen up this bolt that's up here. Let me see if you can see this here. Where is it? Oh, right here, right there. This is the one that's, I'm gonna try to point it. Hey, this one. Let's see if it, oh man, it's not, you can't, it's because of the wire, I think. Come on, zoom. Yeah, that's the nut right there. You gotta loosen up this nut. That takes off the tension. Oh man, this. Okay, here you go. This nut is right here. If you go up, right on top of the side of the engine. So let me zoom back up. Okay, so you see it on the right, on the side. You go from here, you're gonna see the nut. You're gonna use one of these swivel ones. It's a 14 millimeter. You're gonna loosen that up. You're gonna loosen this pulley up, take off the belt, and then put back the alternator the same way. And that should be it. I unplugged all this all these electrical harnesses, because it's better to take them off, so to make it easy. So I also just forgot, I clamped the transmission fluid lines that were going to the radiator, so I won't have to top off the transmission fluid, because I didn't lose any. I probably lose a little bit, very little. So you're not gonna have any problem with that. The other thing is, take off this negative cable. Loosen this up, because the radiator might get stuck a little bit right here. So I loosened this up, not all the way, so don't forget to loosen this up. The upper radiator hose, tucked it on the side, and that's it. So thanks for watching.